What's the meaning of cross-infection? Cross-infection. Cross-infection.
Cross-infection. Cross-infection. Cross-infection occurs when a person contracts an infection from another person or source outside of their own body. This can happen in a variety of settings, including hospitals, schools, and public places. The result of cross-infection can be the spread of infectious diseases such as COVID-19, influenza, and other respiratory illnesses. Such infections can be serious or even life-threatening, particularly for vulnerable populations such as the elderly or those with underlying health conditions. Prevention measures such as hand washing, wearing masks, and practicing social distancing are crucial to limit the spread of cross-infection.